Yo, g'day guys, Clevo King here. Got something cool for you today. My favourite XW sedan, big Jim. Absolute beauty. Yeah, this thing is an absolute credit to Jim. What a beautiful car. It's running the old D-block Clevo up the front here. The old D-block goes. You know how rare this is. Exactly what should be in an XW. Got the air gap there. I think it's running a 750 Holly. Steering box, beautiful. Everything on here is just mint. Look at the alternator. The other day he popped in, hooked him up with this clutch fan here. Because it revs nice and hard, there's no point in a mechanical fan spinning around there, holding the engine back a little bit. It's doing a great job. It's running a programmable MSD with the blaster, HVC. Wow. Everything's just so tidy on this car, it's beautiful. Wow, this is one of the nicest XWs I've seen in a long time. Wow. Let's have a bit of a peek inside. Wow. What a beauty. Bit of a surprise to see this today, guys. Not every day you get to wake up and check out something like this. What a beauty. Alrighty, for those of you that know me would know that the XW is hands down my favourite Australian muscle car. Absolutely love them. I've had a fair few of them, and the diamond white paint combination is absolutely my favourite colour. Look at it, so nice. Me and my brother used to have matching XW Fairmonts, diamond white, and race each other to work every single day. Working at the same place, it was sick. Can't really get away with that stuff these days. How nice is the dash? Wow. We've got the old basket weave seats, just absolutely beautiful. Wow. Yeah, you definitely don't see them like this very often, guys. Got the globes on it with the flat lip. Something I've talked about to a few of my mates recently. That's the flat lip. Doesn't have the little ring on it for the bead. Quite a nice rim choice. Looks sweet. Let's try and get a bit of this front end in. It is absolutely remarkable. Chrome plating and the alignment, it's just so mint. Alright. Wow. Brings back memories. It's almost giving me ideas to paint our one into the diamond white too. Wow. It looks really nice. I actually love the silver drum. Looks great behind the mag. Gotta love waking up and checking out real nice XC wagon. Then you have a mate drop in XWGS. Pretty cool bloke too. He's giving me some GD supplements, some part numbers and stuff to have handy on the computer for as I'm working and going about helping people with their restos. Wow, what a beauty. Just got everything mint. I can't believe it. Like the pinch rolled around the doors, something a lot of guys are forgetting on the GD replicas. Look at the condition of these. Wow. Been a few years now since I've been in a diamond white XW. nice.
Alright, let's grab a couple of coffees on this cruise.
Alrighty, quick coffee stop there, recharged. Some good coffee too. Cars get dropped off with no fuel, really hot, with fuck all oil pressure. They go, here you go drive, and I go, oh no, I'm right here. It's actually good to drive this one.
Well, it's actually picked up a few pounds using the Torco.
Yep. The Torco's good oil. I think Zoc's a big fan of the Torco.
Sounds better with the secondary side.
Yep. No, we're gonna have to go top loader in the car for sure, absolutely.
They're more fun, aren't they?
Oh man. Wow, that sounded so good. I can't wait to listen to that back.
Cheers, man. Yeah, the XW. What a beast. Alright guys, make sure you smash that like and subscribe to see more stuff like this.